Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called FATE. F-A-T-E is the name of this ransomware. First of all, my video guide is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negative impact of this FATE ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their data without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this FATE ransomware may be easily injected. So then, after people restart their computers or turn them on someday, they suddenly realize that they just cannot use their data because the data got damaged and encrypted by this FATE ransomware. And then the FATE extension is appended to the file names. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the FATE extension. This ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family, by the way. It tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. My recommendation is that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware, the reliable security software for your Windows computer. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Combo Cleaner will then begin researching and investigating your system. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature does not decrypt files, it does not recover files, it only helps to protect files from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully completed, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program to make sure that your system is free of other threats.